Hi, this is Kevin, the local window guy. I'm out in Langley here, and I just got done with a customer, and a very nice gentleman, and he's looking for 6 window replacements, some very large windows, but 6 of them. And his main objective is he just wants to fix the existing windows that he has now. They all have broken seals, there's mold in them. Most of them are south-facing, so it gets quite hot in summer hot days, and putting in new windows is definitely going to help him alleviate some of that heat. But generally we can do energy efficient products solutions. He's definitely just looking for a very simple solution to replace the south facing windows that have all got broken seals and to alleviate some of the hot heat on summer days. Anyways, that's it. This is a local window guy out in Langley here today. If you want to get to window replacement, minimum 4 windows or 1 sliding glass door, feel free to leave. Click on the link below, and I'll see you soon.